Welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties. I don't have very many, but this stuff was piling up and I definitely wanted to get this done out of the way and throw it away before Christmas gets here. So I have some bath and body kind of products. So I have the Lady Speed Stick, the Invisible Dry Power, and this is in Fresh Fusion. It's the rollerball one. It's kind of liquidy. I do like this one a lot. I like this style deodorant in the summer and a dry kind of stick for the winter. So I have definitely switched over, but that one is done now. I have a Daily Defense Mango Tango body wash, 18 fluid ounces for $1. This is definitely a good deal. It's not super moisturizing, but it is moisturizing. It is a little bit thicker than most of their watery stuff. It's just a white kind of consistency, and it lathered well. It did get you clean. The scent did not linger, a very faint scent, but overall still a decent product. I have some of these Freshen Up Flushable Moist Wipes. These are good for the back of the toilet. 36 wipes for $1. You know what they're for. They work good, you know. I also have some Assured Cotton Rounds as old packaging, but I finally finished those up. Assured brand cotton balls. I won't buy cotton balls, cotton rounds, or any kind of cottony kind of stuff like that to remove makeup and nail polish anywhere else but the Dollar Tree. They always have really good deals. I have an empty pack of Cosmetic wedges, 28 in here, sassy and chic, and you can use these have many uses. My favorite thing to do with them is ombres, nail polish gradients. Love that. I have a Assured 6-blade razors. I love these. They don't cut me. They have a very close shave. I really like these. They have a nice moisturizing strip on them. They hold up. They're pretty durable razors, but you only get 2, but they're 6-bladed though. I have 2 bath bombs. I have the Skin 10 Vanilla Cream Bath Bombs 3-pack. You cannot beat this deal. They are awesome. Car loves bath bombs, and this is the place to get them, honestly. 3 for $1. Very moisturizing. Leaves his skin feeling so soft. Not that he ain't already soft, but this is like super soft for him. Spa Naturals Luxury Collection. The Vanilla and Coconut Fizzies. There's 3 in here. Also love them. I just repurchased more. Love. The next item, an empty pack of the facial wipes, the charcoal ones, the 30 count black wipes. These are awesome. Did a full review on them. Definitely check the description box for links to that. These are amazing. They're actually really good quality. And last but not least, I have a Seaside candle in Coral Sea. This is a 3.2 ounce candle. Burnt nicely. Had kind of a faint smell. Nothing to be too crazy and like, you know, amazed at. It was okay. It did fill the kitchen, but I am happy that it burned all the way down. And Dollar Tree candles, I feel like, are really good. I think these would make a really cute sea themed or ocean themed gift if you find them. I don't know if this was seasonal. I don't know if you'll find them now. I mean, this is December, so I'm not entirely sure, but this was a pretty decent camp. So that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the Empties video, enjoyed the mini reviews. Maybe you'll check some of these products out for yourself, maybe not. Anyways, don't forget to check the description box. Stay tuned for more videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Thanks always for watching, and happy holidays.